Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32, and Kayla. Today, we are going to do a fall-inspired dessert. Kayla has to have a dessert for work. I believe her co-workers, they all get together and do like a pumpkin type of dessert. And so, I thought about a dessert that I am very popular for here in my family, and it is an apple cream cheese Danish. So we're gonna do a twist on that and make it a pumpkin cream cheese Danish, and we're gonna keep our fingers crossed and hope it works out. If so, then you guys will do a taste test and give you our honest to God opinion. And then, because we're not much for pumpkin, we love like sweet potato pies, where everybody else will like pumpkin pies. In our family, we are known for eating sweet potato pies, not pumpkin. So we're gonna try this today. And I just wanted to say hello to all my new subscribers. I just want to let you guys know here on this channel, you're gonna find a little bit of everything. So I do cooking, I do cleaning, I do decor, I do vlogs, I do thrifting, and pretty much everything we do here is on a budget. So yeah, so anyway, we're gonna jump right into this video and show you everything. But if this is something that you think you would like, go ahead. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. If it's something that you think you'll like, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment. I would love for you guys to say hello. I would love to say hi back and see who's all watching us, you know, quite frankly. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started. One of the first things you want to do is go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. That's what you want to do. So we're going to go ahead and get that started. We have our oven set at 350. It is ready to go. And then we're going to pull out our cookie sheet. And then next I'll show you the type of ingredients you're going to need. All right, so what we're gonna first do is put the block of cream cheese. If you haven't laid it out and let it thaw, you know, like room temperature, you can just throw it in the microwave and do like a 30-second blip. So that's what we're doing now. We're doing a 30-second blip for the cream cheese. Let it get a little soft so that way it's easier to mix. So yeah, so stay tuned, guys. All right, so we're gonna start assembling the filling. The first thing we're gonna do, and guys, we had to actually, this was in the refrigerator all day, so we actually put it in for like another 20 seconds after that first 30 seconds to get it to be, you know, a little bit more mushy and it'll be easier to mix. So we're gonna dump the cream cheese in the bowl. There, awesome. And then we're gonna do about 3/4 of the pumpkin filling. Get all of that good stuff in there. And if you're gonna want more pumpkin, you can put more. If you want less, put less. Then next we're gonna go ahead and dump in the powdered sugar. We did a 1/2 cup just to start. Go ahead and kind of mix that a little bit. And I forgot to tell you guys too, a little vanilla wouldn't hurt as well, okay? So, oh, you're doing that really good with the spoon. Yep. Do you think you need more pumpkin, or you think that's gonna be good for now? Okay. So like I said, guys, we're trying this out for the first time. It looks really pretty though. I love that. That's a nice, beautiful fall color. Awesome. So now we're gonna put in a teaspoon of vanilla. And I use Mexican vanilla. When we go on trips or whatever to Mexico, I always get some. So put that in there. That's good. And then we're gonna sprinkle in just a little bit of cinnamon to give it that nice fall look. Kind of just, you know, eyeball it. If you want a measurement, guys, I would say maybe okay, that's good. Maybe like, I don't know, a 1/2 teaspoon or yeah, something like that. So we're gonna mix, 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 mix. Then the next thing you're going to see is we're going to lay out the crescent roll in a certain design. Now with these crescent rolls, you can make individual like turnover type of deals, or you can make what we're about to make, which is a nice long sheet of it where you can cut it and slice it and serve it as well. So stay tuned. All right, so we did a little taste test and we decided that you need the entire can of pumpkin so that you can have that pumpkin taste. And then we're gonna do about another half a cup. So in total, I said it at the beginning and I should have just stuck with it, but in total we're gonna do a whole cup of powdered sugar to give it that nice sweet taste. And then we're gonna go ahead and mix that up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and lay out the crescent rolls and I'll show you that here shortly. Okay, so what we have here is the crescent roll. And what we did is, okay, normally guys, I'll have at least 2 cans. We're just doing this as a sample. So normally we would have 8 crescents, just the entire can rolled out here. And then we would take the other can of 8 and then do them like this. And basically we just got the triangles kind of hanging over on each side. And I'll show you what we'll do with those in a little bit. So now we've got our mixture, and I want to add one caveat. Add as much cinnamon as you like. We did add a little bit more, so as much cinnamon to taste. This right here, this concoction, the way it is, you can taste it. And it tastes good. The cream cheese, the sugar, and everything gives a really good flavor. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take this filling. We got a lot of filling, so we could have done a really super long one, or maybe a super long one. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this pumpkin cream cheese filling right down the center of the raw crescent rolls on the side. And trust me, this is going to be really good. Now normally when I make this, like I said, it's an apple cream cheese Danish, and what I normally do is I get the cream cheese, the powdered sugar, a little vanilla, add it, and then I just put that down the middle, and then I get a can of apple pie filling and just put it on top, and then I do this. Close this in a little bit here. A mini pumpkin cream cheese Danish. Okay? A little bit over here on the side. And if it spills out a little bit, that is fine. But you want it nice and, just smooth. get to try the recipe, okay? So we'll talk to you guys later. Have a fabulous night. Bye-bye.